Morning, sir.
Morning.
Did you hear we're working through lunch nowadays?
Yeah, no.
That's what me and John and Ray did yesterday.
That might have happened yesterday, but not with me, bud.
Groceries coming in, guys. Coming in hot. You ready?
Back in luck.
Morning.
You just relax.
Thank you.
Jason's got the receipt. How much was it?
I can't show it to you. I don't want you to be in a bad mood today.
How much was it?
Well, I bought 2 gift cards. So if you subtract the 2 gift cards that were $50 each, that would be $525.
So it was $625?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So after checking every place on the planet for sloped brackets for these top caps for where the rails go down the stairs, there is none that exists for a 2-inch rod like I have. So special guest today, Jamie, is gonna weld those sections onto my posts. And you got the TIG welder, right? Is that the right one?
Yeah, I got everything I need. I got a fresh, clean stainless steel wire brush.
Okay.
All right. TIG welder. Bottle of argon. Got you some self-etching primer here. And believe it or not, they actually ran out too.
Yeah. All of Waynesville had 0 of these. Between like 4 or 5 auto parts stores, none.
There must be a shortage.
I'm glad he's here because I've never welded aluminum personally. We've got our top cap placed at 34-inch vertical off of the nosings, and now we're checking, is that parallel to the nosings or not? No.
Nope. And it has to be because your cables are going to run tapered if they're not. So
Yeah.
I don't know how we got off that much.
Well, I'll tell you, this stair framing is kind of wacky-do.
For the bottom.
Makes sense. Hey, your paper might be a bit plugged up on that thing.
Yeah, I didn't notice until I saw the slow-mo there of it spinning around.
I live up on a hill and it's pretty windy right now. Is that gonna be a factor for this welding?
Yeah, definitely is. We might have to get a little shield like a cardboard box or something. Because if it blows the argon away, then boom, bad things happen.
See any eagles, Jono?
Not yet. With that rabbit out here, they'd be swooping around. Be careful.
That'll make you lose your mind. Try TIG welding aluminum on a windy day.
You know what? I think it looks great. This is my house. This is gonna be 20 times nicer than what it was.
Yeah.
As long as like structurally it's good. I'm
It's
good
not
with it.
going anywhere. I feel good about the strength. It's just the appearance is suffering. I'm just glad this is not for somebody.
It's just for me.
It's just for you. Yeah.
Yes,
That's
I
what
think
was
I think prime it up, paint it flat black, done.
It's not going anywhere.
Yeah, that's all I care about.
Okay.
Jamie's having a rough time welding this. We haven't welded a lot of aluminum, and it's windy, and it's just not going real fast. So Jono and I are going to start to install the horizontal runs. We've got sort of a method to the madness figured out. It's just really weird to see something that Jamie's not like really good at. He's still good at it, but not like professional grade right out the gate, which it usually is. So you don't see him struggle real often. This is the one thing I've seen. Jono is screwing on these receivers for the handrail before we try to install the handrail so that they're centered and they're not twisted and the holes are already there. We're using these Tex self-tapper screws, T-E-K-S, not T-E-X, and they work great. Now we're gonna take them right back off. There you go. And put them on the ends of that and then install one piece. We're checking in on Jamie, doing the angled railings. How's it going?
Well, I don't always lose my cool at work, but when I do, because I'm TIG welding in a windstorm.
Bro, it's dead calm right now.
Yeah, you better hit it right now. It's not
There
windy.
we go. Come on.
Go. He's probably also getting ticked because all of us keep like going right behind him and brushing against him while he's trying to hold still. He's on the stairwell. Yeah, we're all just like squeezing by. Jason's on the shielding team, I think. We got welding. That welder's loud, isn't it?
What?
That's helping a lot though. The wind is really what's making Jamie mad.
Where we're having some trouble keeping these pieces clamped in place to get the initial welds, you can see if I take my clamp off, it's just flopping. It would actually probably break off at the top. And where's that one? Here, this is what happens when you use a rubber clamp.
It melted.
Who would have thought, right? So what I'm doing here, we're just taking a scrap of the siding material here. Oh, it fit on the other one. Was this the piece I had?
Oh, maybe it broke. Well, the tip is,
Yeah, let's just get
brace
to the
that
tip.
up with something.
Well, I need my thing right there, but you
Yeah.
can see. Oh no,
broke it.
man! Give me
Man,
another stick.
Come on,
Give
what
me a
kind of
stick.
tip is this? Here,
Gold right there.
dude, come on.
Okay.
World's
no.
worst pro tip right here.
Give me a little flexi stick.
Flexi stick. Hang on, I gotta find your right stick here. There you go.
There it is. All right, that'll work. All right, so we're gonna get a little pre-flexion here, and all right, that's
Break it there. Yep. Still
we're
working
gonna
on it.
Just move it down a little bit. All right, now.
Now break it.
Okay, now. There we go.
Are we still videoing this?
I think I need another stick.
Yeah.
About that.
Cut! This video is brought to you by AG1 by Athletic Greens. And what I've found in my life is that my health is priceless. Like if I'm not healthy, nothing else matters. I need to be the leader of my family's adventures. I gotta go to work every day and I just wanna feel good. It really matters to me. And that's why I'm trying to make healthy habits now that support my health and make me feel great. If you're not familiar with Athletic Greens, it's a comprehensive all-in-one greens powder engineered to fill the nutrition gaps in your diet and support your body's nutrition needs across 4 pillars of health: gut health, immune support, energy, and recovery. It's packed with 75 vitamins and minerals and whole food sourced ingredients, combining the perfect amount of micronutrients, absorption, and taste to jumpstart your daily routine. It's just 1 scoop and 8 ounces of water once a day, that's it. And even though Athletic Greens is green, it does not taste like broccoli or ground up Brussels sprouts. To me, it actually has a semi-sweet taste to it. I really love the extra energy level I feel all day long when I use AG1, and I also love that my nutrition gaps when I'm on the road and not eating exactly like I should be are getting filled and I'm staying healthy. Head to the link in our video description now to get a year's supply of vitamin D3, K2, and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. And this is a game changer for supporting your immune system. Again, Athletic Greens is going to give my community an immune supporting free 1-year supply of vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. Thanks again to Athletic Greens for sponsoring our video. Let's get back to work. All right, we're back and we got a piece that works.
Yeah,
It's far enough away it won't melt. This gets hot, like all the way up, probably that far.
Yeah, easy.
Based on my experience of grabbing it by accident. I'm glad I bought those extra long posts that were more money. We didn't need that one to be longer. See that one? Because it's got that upper rail.
What happened, bro?
Not like a piece of lumber. It's not like oh, it's 2.5. All right, they've got the last piece going in here. The top cap anyway.
It's a rough day. Rough day.
Should just do it again tomorrow.
Yay. Almost got it though.
He's like, oh, if I do, say so.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Boom. Yeah. There you go, dive in.
They're soft. Like if you don't.
Is that good?
It's good, it's warm.
I might need a glass of milk
We got milk.
or something else.
Here and look.
What in the world? Y'all sitting around eating brownies?
It's Thursday morning, we're back at it again. Jamie's welded this last rail section in, and today we're gonna try to get everything painted out, including just repainting a lot of these posts that got a little bit of damage on them while we're installing. And because I was really worried about overspray with this flat black going on the deck and everything else, I bought a gallon can of this Rust-Oleum that I assume is somewhat like the spray paint. It's 4-metal. And got everything primed. We're gonna go to it before it rains. Check 1, 2, hello? Check 1, check 1, 2. All right, Jamie's got you mic'd up here.
Let's see, we're holding for the leaf blower. All right, I think he's done.
All right,
for
I think I can crop it out. Yep.
Is that in frame?
No, you're
Ah! Check 1, 2. I'll be here all night.
Side note is this is the worst weather day we've had yet. It was misting just a little this morning, so we are in a little bit of a time crunch, I would call it. It is supposed to rain at 3 o'clock today. It's about 9 in the morning now. Well, that's it with the paint, and that went faster than expected. And that's the first thing that's gone faster than expected on this whole thing. And once it dries, it's a flat paint, it's looking fantastic. Great job. One of our last little details we haven't dealt with yet is what I'd call a head flashing at the upper end of this deck. We're gonna flash up under the siding, and it just happened that we had a row of siding about 1 inch or 2 off of the decking, which is nice. Then we're gonna flash out over the decking about 1 inch or 2. That way, if water does blow back in here, it won't get under the decking, making the entire thing leak. So I bought this roll of copper flashing only to come to find out it's like copper aluminum foil on top of it's almost like a really thick house wrap backing. And I'm not sure how that's gonna fold or crease, or we can cut it with scissors, I'll tell you that much. May need a second set of hands here.
I'm busy. Ray! What's gonna hold it there?
I don't think it's gonna come out of there. It's tucked in behind the siding. We could just stick a nail through the siding. Done with the deck for today, and the guys looked in my shed, and it was such a disaster, and they're also a little more OCD than I am about certain things. They're pimping my shed out. Look at this thing. I got stuff hanging on walls. I got clear floor space. I've never seen the floor in here, so I'm super excited about this.
You know the best part of it is like,
What's
we
that?
all have new tools and you don't even realize it.
Probably
We got
not.
new knives, we got drills, hammers, chainsaws.
You found my torpedo.
New batteries. Yeah, new batteries. We got all kinds of stuff, dude.
Yeah, I saw the chainsaw and race truck. That was a good score there. You got like 4. Yeah. Well,
You never know. You can never
Yeah.
change
Look, we
those.
got this GRK slash screw fastener.
No, that's all GRKs.
Oh, that's all GRKs.
This is all just kind of randos.
You need a box?
We got power tools.
No.
We've got the Sashko rack finally set up, and he just found a bunch more Lexel.
Need some small stuff.
So that's good. We've got all the different automotive stuff, tool belts, other tools, and room to walk. Again, super excited. That's my grout bag or peg leg, whichever you like.
Arr, Jono!
What's been the most surprising thing you found in here?
The floor.
Oh, good one. You got me there.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Hey, thanks for building with us today. Make sure to check back for part 5, which is the last part of this deck build, where we'll have the grand finale. Also, make sure to check down in the description. We have links to True Work, tool belts we sell, and other great things. You guys have a great one, and we'll see you on the next one.